I'm here at St. Peters of Gallicantu Church. It's just over by the Zion Gate. The name Gallicantu means crowing of the rooster, or denial at the rooster's crow, or something like that. And the relationship is St. Peter denying Jesus when the rooster crows 3 times. The church also has some neat excavations and an ancient stairway here, outdoor altar space and worship areas. And it's raining yet again, but such is life. My phone is waterproof, so there you go. But anyway, I'll keep you posted. Neat church.